This is the original state capitol building. They needed more room in the building, and they said they couldn't add any more rooms or extend anywhere. That's why they had to build a new state capitol building, which was built in 1932-1933. This is the old state capitol building. I'm on the first floor, and the first floor was the city hall. Second floor was the state capitol. Which up there. They shared the building so they could also share the cost in building the building. But they haven't used this building as the state capitol since the 30s. We are in the Legislative Mall, and we have a little monument here. Dover, Delaware, December 7, 1787. And here, Delaware, first to adopt, will be the last to desert the Constitution. 1849. And behind me is the state capitol building, Dover, Delaware. Greetings from Dover, Delaware. This is the state capitol building for Delaware. It's a reasonably new state capitol building. This was built in 1933, whereas most of them are much, much older. And looks like we're getting some sunshine. It's been kind of a rainy, cloudy, overcast day. This is one of the many state capitol buildings that I have seen before but have not been into. So we're going to attempt to go into the state capitol of Dover, Delaware. This is the Senate building, or Senate room. State Capitol, Dover, Delaware. We are now in the House of Representatives, State Capitol, Dover, Delaware.